Ethereum is headed to $10,000, and it's just a matter of when. We found a clear date for when the big move will happen, and all the other altcoins will follow it. It could be the catalyst for Ethereum to flip Bitcoin and gain dominance over the whole market. Institutional investors gave their reasons for picking Ethereum as the top coin to invest in this year. Curious to know more about that? Today we will dive deep into Ethereum's next move. Make sure to stay until the end. Welcome to the Crypto Nights channel, where you get your daily dose of crypto insights. If you love making money and learning about crypto, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. We drop new videos every week to keep you informed about crypto. Altcoin season is coming. When we're looking at how the different coins behave, Bitcoin is the king of the crypto market and Ethereum is the commander over the altcoins. Bitcoin's 4-year cycles decide which way prices are going to go, and Bitcoin's movements tell us when we're going to get an altcoin season. The most explosive pumps are made during alt season, and Ethereum is the one that kicks off the season and leads the rest of the coins towards gains. Your trades will be profitable if you follow the market cycles and buy altcoins before an alt season starts. Right now we're on our way towards the top of this cycle, and there are plenty of reasons to think we'll get the parabolic move from Bitcoin during Q4 this year. If this cycle top follows the same pattern they have in the past, we'll see Bitcoin hit its peak close to the end of the year and then retrace for a few months, and that's when altcoins will go wild with gains. So, let's look at how you can predict that an altcoin season is coming. They happen whenever certain conditions are met, and smaller alt seasons like last spring can happen several times per year. First of all, Bitcoin needs to be below its all-time high. When Bitcoin's exploring new prices it's never seen before, everyone is buying Bitcoin and all the other coins get left behind. This is when we want to stock up on altcoins if we haven't already, because we know what's coming. Next, Bitcoin needs to be above its 200-day simple moving average. I like to see a golden cross as well, which is the 50-day SMA being above the 200-day. These indicators tell us that Bitcoin has been moving up for a while, and altcoins will probably need to catch up soon. And lastly, Bitcoin needs to be moving sideways. When it's bouncing around a lot, people are either trading Bitcoin or staying out of the risky market. We want to see Bitcoin close around the same price for a few days in a row, because that's when the whales get bored with Bitcoin and start looking for other coins to make money on. Then it's Ethereum's time to shine. Alt season is when you'll want to take profits on your altcoins. It's not the best time to buy them because there's a high chance you'll buy the top. You'll know we're in alt season when Bitcoin's dominance is dropping and money is pouring into the altcoins. TradingView can chart Bitcoin dominance and you can even draw trend lines on it if you want to. BlockchainCenter.net has a really handy alt season index that measures the top 50 coins compared to Bitcoin over time. And of course, you'll see coins exploding in price and start wondering why you didn't buy more of them. It's a straightforward plan: buy low before alt season and sell high during alt season. Now that we talked about how to know when it's altcoin season, let's talk about Ethereum and how it's going to make a lot of millionaires next time it happens. Ethereum is gaining dominance. There's a money flow cycle that can help us predict which order the coins are going to go parabolic in. We'll see money going into Bitcoin first, and while it's making new highs, altcoins will grow against the dollar but stay stagnant compared to Bitcoin. Then when Bitcoin settles down, the whales pump Ethereum next before moving profits into medium and smaller altcoins. When money flows into other coins, Bitcoin's dominance goes down, and Ethereum's market cap goes up compared to Bitcoin's. If you think of Bitcoin's bull run as an earthquake, then Ethereum is the tsunami that will follow it. That has been the status quo up until now, anyway. This year, you might be hearing some discussions about whether Ethereum will flip Bitcoin. Flipping would mean that Ethereum's market cap grows larger than Bitcoin's, and this would put Ethereum into the driver's seat for the whole market. Even Goldman Sachs has talked about the possibility, and they offered Ethereum futures trading before they offered Bitcoin futures. In my opinion, it's very possible for Ethereum to flip Bitcoin temporarily during the next alt season. It probably won't stay there permanently, yet, but we might see the two battling for dominance over the next few years. A flippening will be super bullish for Ethereum. During the altcoin season in April, we already saw some hints at how the market will react. Many day traders were watching Ethereum instead of Bitcoin to see which way their coins were going, and some started trading coins against Ethereum instead of Bitcoin or stable coins. And this happened without a flippening. A real show of dominance from Ethereum will draw in unbelievable amounts of trading volume and pump the price higher than ever before. I'm confident Ethereum will be a star performer when we get to the top, and a true contender for market dominance in the years to come. We only need to look at the sudden inflow of institutional investors to see that Ethereum hasn't even reached its full form. Smart money is making the move. Ethereum has been around for a while, and it has the biggest ecosystem of all cryptocurrencies. In fact, it was the first coin to have smart contracts, and it's currently the most solid coin in decentralized finance. It's attracting more institutional investors than any other coin because it's a safe bet and still has so much potential. Ethereum held strong during Bitcoin's September dip. Big money has been flowing into Ethereum through investment firms, and it was Grayscale's most traded asset last month. JP Morgan put out a report saying that institutions are more interested in Ethereum than Bitcoin right now. Coinbase reported that many of its largest institutional clients bought Ethereum for the first time, including hedge funds, endowments, and corporates. Trading volumes for Ethereum passed Bitcoin for the first time too. It's not surprising to me at all, and it really makes sense. Bitcoin has already grown so much over the years. Smart money is looking for investments with more room for growth. There's more to their choice in Ethereum than just its second place rank in market cap. Investors are saying that Ethereum has all the hallmarks of a tech giant, like Google or Microsoft, because it can be programmed for an endless number of possibilities. I think this is a really great perspective. I remember when Google was just a search engine, and now look what it's become. I think someday we'll be saying, we remember when Ethereum was just a cryptocurrency. Of course, the awesome part is that Ethereum isn't a company and we have complete transparency in how it's run. There's a reason for the sudden surge in Ethereum talk over the past few months. We're sandwiched between two of the most meaningful updates Ethereum has ever had. The London hard fork had a smooth rollout in August, and the merge next spring will make Ethereum entirely proof of stake. Ethereum 2.0 guarantees profits. Without going into too many technicals about the updates, I want to point out why they're interesting to the investment firms. Ethereum 2.0 is expected to fully launch sometime around March of next year. Proof of stake will make Ethereum even faster and more environmentally friendly. These are important changes that long-term investors want to see because it shows that Ethereum can adapt to new demands and technologies. There isn't just one correct way to do crypto, it's different strokes for different folks. Personally, I'm really impressed with how flexible the Ethereum community is, and I'm sure the big investors are too. Institutional investors don't invest in a technology just because it's brilliant and revolutionary. They're looking for signs that it will keep growing and survive hardships. Ethereum was already one of the most useful cryptocurrencies, but the updates are proof that it will continue to improve and compete even when the market changes. The new deflationary model is especially appealing to investors. The gas fee for every transaction is going to be burned, and we can expect that more Ethereum will be destroyed than mined. The effects on supply should be stronger than Bitcoin's halving, which is just a reduction in how fast it's mined. I would wager that the burned Ethereum is going to add up faster than anyone can guess. Remember that Ethereum is used for gas on all ERC20 tokens, really, the majority of all crypto tokens. Every time someone trades a coin on Uniswap or buys an NFT on OpenSea, they're paying fees with Ethereum. When the volume picks up for altcoin season and everyone's moving tokens onto exchanges, more Ethereum will get burned. So on top of the parabolic move we usually see in altcoin season, we'll also have a decreasing supply that pushes prices even higher. An unprecedented bull run is incoming. The amount of Ethereum being held on exchanges has been going down steadily all year. More than half of what was on exchanges in January is now staked on decentralized applications. People are going in for the long haul, locking up their Ethereum to collect interest instead of trading it. Almost 10% of all Ethereum is staked on the Beacon chain, which they cannot unlock until March. With such a low supply on exchanges, Ethereum can pump twice as fast in this bull run as it did last spring. The steeper supply curve alone should bring Ethereum to at least $8,000 before March, but the amount of investors pouring in are likely to take it to at least $10,000. Ethereum always does well during the next stage of the market cycle, but this time it's set up for bigger moves than ever before. With enough institutional investors favoring Ethereum over Bitcoin, we could see a shift in market dominance that will throw buyers into a frenzy for Ethereum. We're seeing more apps for decentralized finance than ever before. The growing popularity of staking and yield farming is driving up Ethereum's use case. The new updates make Ethereum an even better long-term investment and cause deflation every time it's used for gas. Several ERC20 tokens should make enormous moves in Q1, and giant decentralized exchanges like Uniswap will burn Ethereum with every transaction. The deflation will compound with Ethereum's gains to make sure it never returns to today's prices. It'll be a good idea to take profits in February before the merge is done, because we're expecting a sizable dip when the staked coins unlock. Don't forget to buy back in though, because Ethereum will keep challenging Bitcoin for dominance and will want tickets to the show. We hope you enjoyed this video today. Do you think Ethereum will get to the #1 spot this spring? Let us know in the comments. If this video provided you some value, please like and subscribe. It would mean the world to our channel. If you have any video suggestions or comments, please let us know below. We love feedback. We appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.